Hello, salespersons of all makes, models, and brands. My name is Chance, and welcome to another episode of our Objection series over here at the Sales Bible. Today we're going to be taking a look at another classic objection, the ever-present I want to sell my car privately. This is also known as the Amature Salesman. These are fun to deal with. I kind of like them. Let's move on to understanding the objection. So usually these are people who think it's easy to sell a car. They're kind of just ignorant, don't really get how difficult it is, don't really expect it to be anything more than a simple conversation, and it's your job to educate them to the contrary. So what not to do? Do not, under any circumstances, say, let me try to increase the value of your trade. It opens up negotiation in a really weird way that's not really beneficial for you. Do not just say, good luck, pat him on the back, and then send him out the door, because odds are you're never going to see him again. And don't tell them selling a car can be complicated, because it sounds like you're oversimplifying the issue, and in doing so, insulting their intelligence. So, what should you do? So usually it opens up with the customer saying, I was expecting more for my trade, I'll probably end up selling it privately. To which you respond, okay, I understand. A lot of our customers feel like private listings are a great way to value their vehicles. But let me ask you a question. Do you believe most people are likely to pay the list price? And they're like, well, no, probably not. And then you'll respond with, you also mentioned that you were paying about $500 a month right now, is that correct? They're like, yes, that's right. You say, great. According to our market research, your vehicle will take between 60 to 90 days for us to sell. That is after a full inspection, full detail, repairs, replacements, and advertising is factored in. So it's safe to assume you would expect to make payments on your vehicle for even longer. And they'll say that makes sense. And as soon as they say that, you've basically won the objection because it's really easy to explain it logically. It's like, okay, you're looking at $500 a month. Let's assume that you can sell it within 90 days. That's $1,500. That's come out of your pocket. Oh, well, you're driving your old vehicle still, right? They're like, yeah. So it's just easy to win it. It is something that comes up. It is something I see a lot of people stumble with. But that's kind of how you're going to handle it in a nutshell. In any case, if you have any cool ideas, cool word tricks, or interesting ways to solve this objection, please let me know down in the comment section beneath. As well, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please put them down there as well. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and as always, happy selling.